Yeah, I don't really know what's going on here, but I approve. All right, we're back here on the property in Arkansas, and we have so many projects. I have a lot of help. We got Simeon, who now actually lives with us on the property, which is really exciting. Simeon's Emily's brother. And of course, we have CJ. We can't do life without CJ, so he's here. I realized I was working on like 15 projects at the same time, and it was just way too much. So I decided we're gonna stick with one thing at a time, get that one thing done before we move on to the next. We've decided we're gonna create a road throughout our property so that when somebody drives in, they can go all the way to the other side of the property and pull out to leave. And also that gives us a lot of space for more rigs to park on where it's level. So that's what we're working on right now. Really excited. And we also have our friends Cody and Alyssa here from Guy Meets Girl. They're another husband and wife duo that play music, and they're awesome. They're here with their bus. It's gonna be a good day. How do you feel, Simeon?
I feel good.
You ready to get to work?
I'm working right now.
I've been working. All right, so we're taking a break on the road though, because first, Emily was asking me to turn one of our couches into a dinette. So we're gonna take apart the really small couch that is really not that comfortable to sit in anyway, and we're gonna turn it into a dinette. What do you think, Juno? This is the old couch. I just took off all the cushions, and we're now gonna rip this thing apart. We're still gonna have this storage underneath, build the table and the chairs right there. All right, the first step is to open up this, take everything out. So we got that one part demoed. All this is now clear. But we're gonna do this in 3 stages because we have to be at Silver Dollar City and play all day. I don't have enough time to do the whole project in one day. So we're gonna break it up in 3 different days. This is day 1, demoing the couch. And then day 2 is getting some plywood to put along the bottom here to kind of make this really leveled. We're gonna put that flooring on the bottom to make it look a lot nicer. And then from there, day 3, we're gonna build our couches and hopefully the table. Do you think we could do it, Sawyer? So we just turned this into a couch once again. Phase 1 complete.
Good job.
All right, I got Simeon here to help me with phase 2. We're gonna put down a piece of plywood so that when I put down the flooring on top of it, it makes it really even and thin. Even, not thin. The heck am I talking about?
I don't know.
I don't even know.
I have to turn it. You have to corner. You have.
I'm hoping phase 2 also includes me building the chairs that people will sit on, and they're gonna have like a lift so you can like open them up and put things in, and that's my goal today. Maybe the table will be phase 3. now making the chairs, the benches to sit on, and the benches are gonna open up with some storage underneath.
Maybe it's called flight time.
All right. Good idea. All right, we got this face on the side of the bench. Now I gotta work on this side, and then we're gonna build our bench. The lifting thingy.
Yeah.
The lid.
Yeah. Daddy, sorry.
All right, we got one bench made already. Storage, bench. Another one right here, table in the middle. And then we have our dinette. All right, we finished stage 3. We already had a table built pretty much, so we just put it on here and it worked out perfectly. Look at that. It looks so good. You guys ready to eat some food on your new table?
Yeah.